This video demonstrates how to fold flour and other ingredients like cocoa powder into a mixture. Folding in ingredients ensures that a mixture stays light and fluffy, as the pupil will have whisked or beaten it to incorporate air.
Sift the flour into the bowl, using the side of your hand to help.
Sifting removes any lumps and adds air.
Using a metal spoon, gently cut through the mixture and fold it over in one smooth action.
The action of folding preserves the air that has been whisked into the cake mixture. Use a metal spoon to cut through the mix, then turn the mixture over in one smooth action. Describing the action as a figure of 8 can be helpful.
Rotate the bowl and repeat the folding action until all the flour or other ingredients are combined.
Overfolding or beating the mixture causes the air to be lost, meaning the cake will not rise as well. Top tips: use clean metal spoons to fold in. Ensure pupils do not overfold, as the air that has been whisked into the mixture will be released. Stir any additional ingredients, such as cocoa powder, into the mixture with the flour.